This is Jenny.
Hello.
It's so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You must be exhausted after your trip.
Oh, no, it was nothing.
We made it in like 18 minutes.
Now, I'm not amused. He knows I hate it when he speeds.
It wasn't me, it was Jenny, I swear. She thinks she has 9 lives.
Let me take your coat.
Okay,
Where you
yes,
been?
thank you.
What, you forget where we live?
No.
This is my dad, William. Dad, this is
Adeline.
Jenny, actually. Dad, you okay?
I'm sorry, it's just... You look exactly like this old friend of mine, Adeline Bowman.
That's my mother.
You're joking. You really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Did you know her?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we were very close. I knew her in London.
Yeah, she lived there in the 60s, right before she moved to Paris and met my father.
incredible. What are the odds?
Wow. Wow. The resemblance is absolutely amazing. You must hear that all the time.
For as long as I can remember.
Wow. We were very close.
You said that already, honey. I can't believe you never mentioned her.
Oh, yeah. I must have. Just...
No, I remember your close
How
friends.
is she? How's she doing?
She passed away 6 years ago.
No, really? Oh, wow. I'm so sorry. An extraordinary woman.
Yeah, well, it runs in the family.
Come on. You want something to eat? A
Yeah,
drink?
yeah, I made cheesecake.
Yeah, we're kind of tired, actually. I think we'll head up if that's okay with you.
Me too.
You really? All right, now I'll have you in the back bedroom.
You're in the back.